Yes.
Clicking sensation over on that right side,
Mhm.
and that was going on for how long?
6 months. Yeah.
About 6 months. That your body wasn't moving as far between the two sides.
That's right, yes.
And we had that really tight muscle over the top on the right side. So 30 degrees on the left. Fantastic. So that's
Right.
improved to 30 on the left, 32 on the right.
Right.
Did you have any clicking sound when you did that movement?
No, I haven't had that. No.
Feel when I push here
Yeah.
versus when I push
I
here.
know.
You
The
can feel that one?
difference, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, so that's the one that we need to keep working on, so
Okay.
this doesn't keep coming back.
Yeah.
Got dinner done as well, so.
Good.
And what about the airport? Facing back towards the window, please.
Good. I have my Wheatie Mix, thank you.
You had your Weet-Bix this morning?
Yeah.
That's good. Tried to give Bella some Weet-Bix this morning, but she wanted Cheerios, so
Oh,
the little lady one. To the left and dropping the head down. So that's pinning the muscle down and stretching it over to the side. Coming back up, facing forwards, and much better through there, Russell. That's great. And we pull that one down. Good. And pulling down. Beautiful. 35 over on the left.
wow.
Let's go over to the right. Look at that, Russell. 35 on the right.
Wow.
Fantastic. That's great.
Thank you.
Beautiful.